Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a newly reduced 2-bedroom home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 1316 Mohican Drive. Just reduced recently to 350. South side location, close to the desert, pretty close to the new Havasu Riviera launch ramp side of town. So there's a little bit of site access, just not really sure where the property line is. Probably where those barrel cactuses are, I would guess. All right, guys, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2000, 1,199 square feet, 9,800 square foot lot. Looks like they've done some updating on the interior. Has a nice plank vinyl tile floors, did all can lights. Looks like all the ceiling fans and hardware. Has vaulted ceilings. Little slider out to the backyard. Has a little rear kitchen. Access to the garage, indoor laundry. Looks like they upgraded the cabinets. Super clean. So it's a 2-bedroom and it is a split floor plan. So we're just gonna start over here and see what we have. So this looks like the master side. Little walk-in closet. So you have your toilet with its own door. Solid surface sink top. Little linen closet. So the other bedroom's across the living room at the front of the house. Looks like they're using this one as kind of like an office. Also has a little walk-in closet. So this is a double master suite. So it's 2 bedrooms, but they're both masters. Same sink setup. So they did the plank tile floors in the whole house, so there's no carpet. Very clean. 4-inch baseboards. Let's go look at the garage. So you have your indoor laundry off the kitchen and your access door to the garage. So you have a standard garage setup, 2-car garage, 27 feet deep, standard 7-foot door. Looks like they did LED lights instead of fluorescents. Man door out to the backyard. And of course your water heater and your soft water loop and your RO is all out here. So you have a covered patio off of the slider, off the living area kitchen. It's a pretty good size. This does back to Powerline Road, so it's kind of a downer, but it does give you some privacy in your backyard where your neighbors behind you can't see them. Possibility you could get a razor going by once in a while. So I forgot to mention, this one can come furnished. It's available outside of escrow. Here's your door out of the garage. So again, it's kind of hard to see where this property line is, but there's a little bit of something for sure. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Mohican. Again, this one was just reduced to $350. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.